Hey guys, I'm Pätty, and in today's video I want to figure out how many reeds out of a box of 10 reeds are playable and how many are unplayable. All of you know it. You bought a box of 10 reeds and some reeds are okay, some reeds are very nice and some reeds are for the trash. Or in my case, for my cigar boxes. I store bad reeds like this. For this test I bought the Vandoren V21 because I did in-depth reviews of every single alto saxophone reed of the whole range of Vandoren. And the reed I liked the most was the V21. So now let me tell you how we proceed in this video. First of all, I unpacked the box, every single reed, and numbered them from 1 to 10. But why is this important? Because I will do 2 more videos. This particular one is 1 out of 3 to keep them all short and simple. In video 2, right in this corner, I will explain how to use the ReedGeek to make bad reeds playable and good reeds better. Or not? But in this video I will play short phrases with each reed out of this box. Right out of the box. No reworking, nothing. I start with a bit bluesy stuff to get comfortable with each reed. Then Jazzy Stuff, then Lownotes, then Staccato stuff, then Altissimo, and then short interval leaps. All the phrases are very short. I will cut them, put them all together, play them successively so that we can hear the differences in terms of sound and the differences of each phrase. After the sound samples I will give you my honest opinion and I will rank these reeds like this. Playability. A great V21 is easy to play with less resistance. So we go for hard and easy. Response. A great V21 responds very quick with a great amount of attack. So we take slow and quick. Resonance. For me the resonance is very important. I love it if the reed, the horn, the air vibrates a lot and I think it gives fullness to your sound. Sound quality. A great V21 sounds crystal clear, very colorful and bright. So we take grumpy and colorful. And last but not least, is it bad or is it great? For video 3, I will rework each reed and we will figure out do they sound better or not. And then we can see if we can trust the advertising of the ReedGeek or not. Anyway, the mouthpiece is a Jody Jazz Jody Custom paired with a Jody Jazz Powering. The horn is a Selmer Supreme. Please use good speaker or great headphones for the sound samples, and let's start with the sound samples. Okay, now let's talk about my opinion. Reed 1 was very easy to play. It's not that fat, but it sounds great. Playability, response 5 points, the resonance 4 points because it's not that fat, and the sound quality is very colorful, so 5 points. It's a great reed. Reed number 2 has a very quick response. It's not that easy to play, so here I give 3 points. The Altissimo and the interval leaps are very easy, but you have to work hard with this reed. So playability 3 points, response 5 points, resonance only 3 points, and the sound is not that great and not that colorful, so 3 points. It's not great, it's not bad, it's okay. The playability of Reed 3 is not that great, but better than Reed 2, so I give 4 points. The resonance is not okay. It's only 3 points. The response is quick, but not as quick as some other reeds. So I give it 4 points for the response. The sound is colorful, but not as colorful as some other reeds, so I give it 4 points. It's a great reed. The playability of Reed 4 is not that good, 3 points. The response and the resonance are okay, 4 points. But the sound is very, very it's more to the grumpy side, and for me it's a very bad reed. But the Altissimo and the interval leaps are easy. But you have to work against the reed, and you have to put more air into your horn. Reed number 5 is a great reed as well. 5 points in terms of playability, it's very easy to play. 5 points in terms of response, because it's very attacky, very quick response. The sound is very colorful, and the resonance is okay with 4 points. It's a great reed. Reed number 6 is the first bad reed. It doesn't feel comfortable to play. It sounds not that good, so sound quality 2 points, playability 2 points. The response is 4 points, but you have to put very much air in the horn, and you have to work very hard against the reed, and I don't like this. But if you get a tone out of the horn, it sounds very fat and very resonating. And for me it sounds quite dark. And like I said before, it's a bad reed. Number 7, one of the best reeds, 5 points on each category, and it's a great reed. Nothing more to say. It's great. Reed 8 is a bit like Reed 1. It's not that fat. The resonance 4 points, the rest 5 points. Great reed. Okay. Reed number 9. Together with Reed number 1, it's the best reed out of the box. So 5 points on each category, and it's a great reed. Number 10 is the easiest reed that I played. It feels more like a 2 and not a 2.5, but the V21 start at 2.5. But this is very easy to play. The Altissimo and the interval leaps are great, but because of the easy peasy playability of this reed, I struggled a bit. It has a lot of attack. It's because of the brightness and because of the quick response. I give 5 points on each category, and it's a great reed. In my opinion, we had 2 bad reeds, 1 okay reed, and 7 very nice reeds. I think it's okay. In video 3, after the reworking, we will see if we get these 2 bad reeds sounding better or great. We will see. I put links in the description box down below, but please tell me what you think about this test and the sounds, and what do you think? Put it in the comments down below, please. So if you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button. subscribe to my channel. It costs nothing, it's totally free. You are able to support me otherwise. I put a link in the description box for buy me a coffee if you want to. If not, it's fine as well. See you in the next video. I'm Pätty. I say goodbye, hasta luego und auf Wiedersehen.